so I'm going to show you guys how to create your letter, and we're going to use the slab method. So I have my slab already rolled out, okay? And what I do is I cut my letter out of paper, and that way both pieces are going to be exactly the same, and then I will stick them together with a slab in between, okay? So you want to draw it out on paper first, cut it out of paper, and then you're going to use this as a stencil, okay? I'm going to move my slab over because it's a little too long. All right, so here's my slab. I'm going to put my B. I'm going to try and save as much of this slab as possible so I can cut out other areas for the sides and things like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to use a ruler for this. So I'm just going to outline it lightly with a needle. Kind of just giving me my dimensions so I can go back with the ruler and make it nice and straight. Okay, now on this you can do either block letters or you could do rounded letters is fine. Rounded is a little bit more difficult, but you can do either one. Okay, so I outlined that one, then I'm going to do another one here. I have to have two. And just outlining real quick. All right, once I get that outlined, then I'm gonna take my ruler. It's like I missed a piece over here. Okay, I'm gonna take my ruler and an X-Acto knife. Made this way, I know that everything is completely straight. Make sure you hold that ruler tight when you're cutting everything so you don't mess up. Make sure you use a ruler on this so everything is straight. Okay, and these middle pieces, I can wait until I blow dry it to make so that it's a little bit harder when I pop it out. That way you don't bend anything. Okay, so I'm gonna leave those in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and I can take this one off. Okay, so there's my first letter. Okay, so I'm gonna set that letter to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that letter out as well. But what I'm gonna show you real quick is the other pieces that I need. So the thickness of your letter, okay, if you look at this letter, all right, the thickness of it is going to have to be 2 inches. This one is 3.5, it's gonna be much smaller. Okay, so you want to cut slabs that are 2 inches wide. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure, if I can get, see how many I can get in here. So 8. So I'm gonna make 4 slabs here. Oops, I don't wanna go with the 1. So I'm gonna go 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And I'm gonna do one more all the way at the very end. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line here. Actually, I can cut that all the way off. Again, using my ruler so it's nice and straight. I cut on this side where they all started, all the way across. Then all I'm gonna do is connect these dots I made. Okay, again, using my ruler. Okay, so here's one slab that is 2 inches. Set that to the side. There's my second one. Third one. And fourth one. It's best if you try and cut as many as you can, then that way you have extra if you need to, if you have too much, then you can always just scrap it. But you want to cut as many slabs as you can so you can just start making it all at once. Okay, once all my slabs are cut out, okay, and my letters are cut out, then I go ahead and blow dry these and make them leather hard.